Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to jailbreak on the newest version of iOS, no computer needed. So as you can see guys, I'm currently updated to the newest version, which is the iOS 17.5.1. So I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak on this new version of iOS. So let's get right into the video. So what you want to do guys is go to this website, uncoverjb.cc. So go to settings if you're using an iPhone, go to general, go to background app refresh, and make sure it's set to Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now this really doesn't matter, but make sure it's on one of those. So once you've done that guys, all we're going to do is go over to battery and turn off the low power mode. Now you'll know this is on because your battery percentage is going to be yellow, so make sure low power mode is turned off. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So all we got to do now is go to App Store and turn on the automatic downloads. This should be on by default, but if you got it turned off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Alright, so now that we've done all that, we're going to go over to the browser and go to the website uncoverjb.cc, and you want to put a 0 instead of an O, so let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So this is the website. Super cool website guys, so let me just go ahead and type it in. So anyways, once you're here, you're going to see a button that says jailbreak, so you just want to go ahead and press that. So let me just do that right here. So I'm just going to press it, and now it should download like a profile onto my phone. So I'm just going to go ahead and press allow and then press close, and now I'm just going to go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile to my device. So I'm going to go to settings and then see profile download message should show up at the top, and I'm just going to go ahead and press on that, and then I'm just going to go ahead and press install. And now I'm just going to go ahead and put in my password. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you guys can see. Alright, and now I'm just going to go ahead and press install. Then there's a final one in red, and I got it. So let's go ahead and open this up and jailbreak our device. Alright, so let's go to the home screen here. Now I got the Uncover app. Super cool. Let's open it up and see what happens. Alright, so basically we have a button that says jailbreak, so we're just going to go ahead and press on that. And then we got to press it again, and now our device is going to jailbreak guys. So let's just wait for this to load. Alright, so we're just going to start this right here. Alright, so we're just going to let it download everything, not too hard. So we're just going to wait. Alright, so we're just going to let it do its thing here, as you can see. Alright, it's just letting the bar load across. Super cool. Alright. So I'm just letting this load. Okay, I'm just going to give it a second. Alright. Okay, so let's go over to the home screen and see if Cydia pops up. I'm not 100% this method even works, but who knows, could work. So where's the results? Nothing is happening. I wish I had Cydia. I thought this was legit. There's nothing here. What the heck? So let's see. Oh my gosh, it's working, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. This is super insane. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is super cool. As you can see, guys, I got fully working Cydia right here. Dang, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try it out, guys. This actually works. So as you can see, guys, it is fully working on my device. So be sure to go ahead and get the word out about this method. It's super cool, and it's totally updated and everything like that. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys. This is super cool. As you can see, I'm just going to go ahead and search for Lotus. That's my favorite theme. Let me just do that right here, as you guys can see. And I can just go ahead and download it. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself, guys, because this is super crazy. And it actually works pretty well. So as you can see, I can download it right here. So I'm just doing this. Alright. So be sure to go and try this out, guys. It's super cool. Look at that, guys. So get the word out. This is super insane, guys. Totally working method. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go and try it out for yourself. It's super cool. This is updated and everything like that. So yeah, try it out today just so more people know about the method. Because this is super awesome, guys. And it totally works and everything like that. So yeah, as you can see, guys, it is updated. Peace out.